Find the area of shaded regions. Look at the diagram. We have three semicircles, that is C1, C2 and C3. Here in the diagram, the circle C1 and C2 both have equal diameter, that is 14 meter and 14 meter. So the greater semicircle have diameter 14 plus 14, that is 28 meter. We have to calculate the area of this shaded regions. As we know that area of a semicircle C1, or general formula for area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a semicircle C1, that is C1 is equal to pi r square by 2. I have divided pi r square by 2 due to the reasons that this is not a complete circle, but it is a semicircle. That's the area will be half of the circle. So this is the diameter. AB is the diameter of the semicircle C1. What will be its radius? We know that r is equal to d by 2, diameter by 2, that is r is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is the radius of this semicircle. So the C1 is equal to pi r square by 2. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Multiply by this 2. Multiply by 7 into 7 square of the radius. When we calculate this, the area of a semicircle C1 becomes 77 meters square. In the same way, we see that the semicircle C1 has the same radius, same diameter or the same radius as C1. So after calculation, semicircle C2 pi r square by 2 is equal to 22 by 7 into 2, this one, into 7 into 7. After calculation, C2 is equal to 77 meter. Now the area of semicircle 3, that is greater one, this circle, the shaded circle. So pi r square by 2, putting the values, 22 by 7 multiply by 2 into 14 into 14, because 14 is the radius. 14 is the radius of this greater circle. So putting the values, 22 by 7 by multiply by 2 into 14 into 14, 7 is cancelled with this 14, 2 is cancelled with this. So 22 into 14, 22 into 14, this is the area of C3, circle 3, that is 308 meter square. Area of the shaded regions, that is area of the shaded regions. How we can calculate? That is total area of the semicircle C3 minus C1 minus C2s, this one. Area of the shaded portion C3 minus C1 plus C2, 308 meter square minus 77 plus 77, that is 154. So after calculation, 308 meter square minus 154 meter square, that becomes 154 meter square. This is the area of shaded region, 154 meter square. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share and care. Thank you very much.